Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel or here for the first time. Welcome. Please subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers and I need your help. I can't reach it without you. So please subscribe to the channel. It's a free and easy way for you to support the channel. Also, if you like this video, like the video and hit the notification bell if you want to be first to know when I post a new video or when I go live. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about my new favorite sunglasses from Elisa Johnson. So if you want to know more about them, keep watching. Alright, thank you so much for coming to my channel. I love accessories, i.e. jewelry, handbags, shoes. Like, I just love accessories, and it's kind of a sticky point when it comes to shopping, but you know, God's still working on me. But one of my favorite accessories, I would say, after handbags has to be sunglasses. So I absolutely love sunglasses. Because I wear contacts, my eyes are slightly more sensitive to the sun than the average person, so I always have sunglasses on me. Like, unless I'm going out at nighttime, I have sunglasses. So this summer was the summer of the aviator. Everybody was wearing aviators in all different shapes, styles, materials, and finishes. And these aviators from Elisa Johnson, I've had my eye on for months, and they finally had a sale. So then I went and got them. So these are called the Jane, and I have it in black and then also in brown tortoise. So we'll see which ones we open up first. So these are the black, and these are really classic, just like everyday kind of wear, running errands. And what I love about these sunglasses is that I have no eyebrows. So because they are so oversized, this is the standard size. They do have a mini size if you want a smaller one, but because these are so oversized, as you can see, it perfectly covers up my eyebrows, so it's no pressure to put on makeup or anything. I literally just look like this: lip gloss, lip balm, toss on the wig, a little fruffle, and then I can hit the streets and do all the things I need to do. And I absolutely love that with these sunglasses. Like I said, these are the Janes. These are black. And the only thing, I don't want to say I don't like it, but it is a new style for me, is these sunglasses where they're not totally black and people can see your eyes. Because a lot of times I'll be wearing my little sunglasses to do, you know, a little judgmental moment, scan the room, see what people are doing. And because people can see my eyes in these, people look back. So that's just one thing to be mindful of, that they're not like traditional sunglasses. But I'm gonna check their website to see if they have like a dark black pair, because if they do, I'm gonna get them next. But these are the black in Jane. So and like I said, these are the large size, so these were $45, so not bad for designer sunglasses. They're very sturdily made, very hardy, very weighty. Definitely feel like I paid for quality. And inside each little sunglass, it comes with this little envelope that tells you cleaning and restrictions. And so this is not for direct observation in the sun kind of sunglasses, you know, clean gently with cleansing sunglasses, cleansing stuff, you know, all the rules for sunglasses. And then it comes with this cute little white, and it is embossed with the logo. So those are the black ones. So now we're gonna get to my favorites, which are the tortoise ones. So, and I'm pretty sure this is brown tortoise. They came out with like a darker tortoise one that's really cute too. But like I said, although I really love, these are my new favorite sunglasses. Like I will be wearing these into the ground. But the only thing I wish is that they just had like a darker lens. But these are super cute. Every time I wear these, I get compliments. People love them. I love them. They are absolutely gorgeous. And same vibe, big enough to cover up the eyebrows or their lack of when they're not drawn on. Super cute, great look. And even though they do have this tortoise pattern, I can wear them with so many different outfits, and tortoise is almost like a neutral. So I absolutely love these sunglasses. They are amazing. So if you are in the market for some sunglasses, I would definitely say check them out. I think they have a lot of different other profiles if you're not into the aviators, but aviators just happen to be my favorite shape. But they have a lot of great, amazing oval, cat eye, different kind of looks. So again, that is Elisa Johnson sunglasses. Love, love, love. And if you're interested, check them out. I'll leave more information in the description box below. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.